Namaste and hello. Warm welcome to DharcheTravel Rural Municipality, Gorkha. I am Basanta Shrestha. I am a Nepali tourist guide by profession here in Nepal. Runchet is a remote village which is situated in the DharcheTravel Rural Municipality 2 in the northern part of Gorkha district. This is where I am standing now. The simple reason is that you can find natural beauty here. It is known as Runchet Khola Jarana or Runchet River Waterfall in English. You can see a spectacular waterfall, an amazing waterfall, a beautiful waterfall, stunning waterfall. That's a beauty. That is a beauty. It's a natural beauty here. So, if you are a nature lover, do visit DharcheTravel Rural Municipality to Runchet and enjoy the nature as much as you can. Save the nature. Thanks for watching this video.